What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. And in this video, I will show you how to make a tool dropping script and how to equip a tool when it's on the ground. So if another player dies, their tools. I mean, you can always you can pick up a tool, and when a player dies, you can get them back. So you can take their tools. Which is pretty cool. Let's work on this. All right, so. All we're going to need first, I'm going to open up my Explorer tab up here. I'm going to go to View, Explorer, there we go. I'm going to open my output as well so I can see if there's any errors. Alright, now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to look for a tool. I mean, you can make a tool if you want. You know what, in fact, I will. I'm just going to make a very quick tool. I don't like to use tools from the toolbox because they could have bugs or something like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna make it quick looking. This is not gonna look that good. Actually, you know what? As a matter of fact, let me just quickly get one from the toolbox. It's fine. I'll just remove all the scripts so I don't have any errors or anything. Yeah, I'll use a taser. Taser just makes a fine tool. So yeah, just all right. I need to make sure I can grab onto it. So I'm gonna uncheck locked. Alright, there we go. There's our taser. I will keep the scripts in there because, yeah, it's fine. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this in our starter pack to make sure that the tool is what we're looking for, just so it looks good and make sure it looks good. Yep, that's about right. Yeah. I'm just gonna remove the scripts. It's fine. I'm just gonna remove the scripts from it. If you don't have to do this. I'm just trying to get a tool for this example. So here's our taser right here. Alright, so now I'm gonna make a GUI inside the tool so it will display that you can pick it up. I'm gonna make a billboard GUI. I put that in the tool over here in the Explorer. I'm gonna name the GUI display. So it's just so I know what it is. It's gonna display the. You'll see in a moment. I'm gonna put in a text label in there. I'm gonna text label is way over there for some reason. Hold on, I'm gonna always on top. Oh, it's because it has to be in a part, I think. I'm gonna put this in the handle. There we go. That's why. Okay, so make sure you click always on top so it's on the top of it, by the way. And I'm gonna go to studs offset. I'm gonna offset it on the y-axis about 2 studs above the gun, or maybe I'll just do 1. Yeah, that 1 is fine. Alright, I'm gonna now go to the text. I'm gonna delete the sound. I don't need that. Just okay. So now I'm gonna go to text. I'm gonna scale it. I'm gonna remove the background, and I'm gonna change the font to something I like. This is all customizable, you guys. You can change it any way you want. I'll just do Sword Sands. I'll do sci-fi. So basically, what it's gonna look like, it's gonna be like this. Equip tool, or equip taser. So yeah, equip taser, and I'm gonna make it so when you press like something on your keyboard, like if you press E, like this, you know you can equip it. So yeah, I'm gonna just make the text a little nicer. I'm gonna give it no text stroke. That looks great. That was pretty good. And I'm gonna change the distance, like the distance where you can see the text. Actually, yeah, go to the billboard GUI you made, go to the properties and go for max distance. I'm gonna say 20. I'm gonna say 30. Let's see how far that is. It's about, yeah, that's fine. You know, I'm actually gonna unscale the text. I'm just gonna make the text like 35. Yeah. Wait. You know what? Yeah, scale it. Never mind that. Never mind that. Alright, you know what? That is fine. We don't need to worry about the text anymore, because that is fine. All we're gonna do now is we're gonna remove the text, because we're gonna do that in the script. I'm gonna change the name of the text label to a title. Okay. Alright, now I'm gonna put this in the starter pack, and yeah, let's actually, well, no, not just leave it in the workspace for this example. So yeah, now what we're gonna do, I'm going to insert a local script. So when I press, you can choose any key you want on your keyboard, but so when you click, just for example, if you press the E button on a keyboard, you'll equip the tool. And I'm going to do that now. So we're going to say, we're going to actually need a remote event. So, yeah, remote event so that you can, I'm just thinking, should I put it in the, I don't know if I need a server script. Actually, you know what, I think it would be fine. Yeah, I'm going to add a server script. Just so every player can see that the tool is equipped and everything like that. I'm just going to insert a remote event into replicated storage. I'm going to name it equip. Alright, there we go. Now I'm going to go into local script. I'm going to say local event equals rep game dot replicated storage. Wait for child equip. I'm going to say local player. Actually, no, we don't need the player. We're going to get the user input service. We're going to need that. Say, actually, game, get service, user input service. There we go. Now we're going to say UIS, that stands for user input service, dot input began, connect function. I'm going to type in input. Inside, for the argument, I'm going to say now, if input dot keycode is equal to enum dot keycode dot e, then so this is where you change the key that you want. It can be anything. It can be R, it can be S, X, it can be anything you want. I'm just gonna do E because I like that the best. Okay, now I'm gonna do, now I'm gonna fire the event fire server. And there we go. Yeah. So now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go into server script service. I'm gonna insert script. I'm gonna copy the first line in the local script. And now I'm gonna say event on server event connect function. Player. So there we go. That's the syntax for that. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make another variable up here, local max distance equals 25. Well, we're gonna use that, so it's the max pickup distance. That's pretty much what it is. So like only 25 studs. If you're 25 studs or under, then you can pick up the tool, else you can't. So yeah. Just thinking of what to do here. Alright. Actually, I'm gonna put this script inside the tool. Put it in the tool, guys. Not in server script service yet. Put it in the tool. I'm gonna make a variable up here, local tool equals script up parent tool dot. I'm gonna say local mag, stands for magnitude, equals. I'm gonna put two parentheses here. I'm gonna say player dot character dot humanoid root part minus tool dot position. Why not? Tool dot handle dot position. I'm gonna put position here as well. And then at the end of that, say dot magnitude. That's just the distance. And I'm gonna say if mag is smaller than or equal to max distance, then now we're gonna equip the tool. So tool dot parent equals player dot backpack. I'm just gonna see if that works. We're just testing if the equip tool is working. So I'm just gonna. Where is it? Oh, it's over there. Oops, I'm lagging really bad. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to equip it. It does not work because I'm not within the boundary, which is 25 studs. If I move closer to it, I should be able to pick it up. And there you go. So there you go. That's how to do a pickup. But we're not even done yet. So, and if you want to change the pickup distance, just set it to whatever you want. It could be whatever you want. So now, what we're gonna do, I'm going to make the text appear when you get close to it. I'm just gonna change the text like in the script. So I'm gonna make a variable local gy equals tool dot. Actually, no. I'm just gonna say local handle equals script tool dot handle. Local gy equals handle dot. What is it called? It's called display. Local TL, that just stands for text, equals display or gy. No, I'm just gonna say display here. Display dot label. I believe that's what I called it. Wait, what did I call it? I told it title. Yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna change the. I'm gonna put right into here. We're gonna say tl.text equals script. Wait, I'm just gonna say two quotation marks, double speech marks. I'm gonna say equip dot script dot parent dot name. Let's see if it displays it. If I move closer to the tool, it should show me the name of it and how to equip it. Hold on, that did not work. I don't think it worked. Hold on a minute. Yeah, the text did not change. Oh, you know what? Don't put that in there. Just put it above. put it above the server event. Let's see if that works instead. Yep, this should work now. It changed the text. So let's see. I'm gonna go closer to it. And there you go. Now you can see it. So yeah. And then we want to make it so when you equip it, you don't see the tool. I mean, you don't see the text. So that's quite easy. Just say, I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna say tool.equipped connect function tl.text equals blank. So yeah, let's see if that works. Alright, yeah, I'm lagging really bad here. I'm gonna go closer to it. I'm gonna equip it, press E. I got it, and there's no text. Awesome. Or you can, yeah. Or you can change the text if you want to say taser on top of it. That will just say taser above the gun, but I'm just gonna leave it blank. I don't want anything above it. So yeah. What else? We completed the first part of this tutorial, which was to make it so you can equip it. And how about when we drop it, or when we die? So, I'm gonna say down here, player. Actually, hold up. Let's say, I'm gonna pass in an argument here. I'm just gonna get, actually no, I'm not. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna just say, local humanoid equals player.character, find first child, or wait for child actually. I like wait for child. Humanoid. Now we're gonna say humanoid. I'm gonna make this a global variable. Okay, now humanoid dot died connect function. Tool dot parent equals workspace. So when they die, it'll just be placed in the workspace, so anyone can see the tool that they dropped. Man, I'm lagging really bad here. Oh, we got an error. What's this? Attempt to index nil. Hold on. I'm actually gonna say char equals player.character. Attempt to index nil. Attempt to index nil with died. Okay, so there's something wrong. It's not finding the humanoid. Maybe let me try adding a wait here. Let's wait one. Let's give it a chance to load in. It's not working. Alright, remove that. Let me try player.character added. Connect function. Local hum equals char wait for child. Humanoid. Make that a global variable. You know what? I'm gonna move this down here. Alright, hold on. Yeah, put it right inside of here. Alright, that's not working either. Alright, you know what? Maybe I will do that in the server local script. Never mind that. That was a bad attempt. That was a bad attempt. That did not work. I'm gonna do this in the local script. I'm actually just gonna pass it. Local player equals game of players dot local player local character equals play p dot character, or yeah, p dot character. Wait. Local humanoid equals I'm gonna move this inside of here. Alright, hopefully that works. No errors so far. Okay. See if this works. Okay. I'm gonna equip. I'm just gonna die on purpose here. Let's see if that works. Yep, that works. Fantastic. Think so. Let's see. Hold on. Yep, it works. That's awesome. Awesome. There we go. It works just like that. You know what? One more thing we need to do, guys. Oh shit. What the? Yeah. Alright, one more thing we gotta do is make the text appear again. So, just say... just say tl.text equals, just say, I'm gonna actually, you know what, I'm just gonna copy this from up here. I know, paste it right here. Right there. Now the text will go back to what it was. And this should be about it. This should be about the end of the tutorial here. About a 20-minute video. Oh yeah, you can also walk on it. But I'm gonna just... There you go. That's pretty much how you do it. You know what? One more thing before I end this 23-minute long tutorial. Oh, wow. Alright, so one more thing I'm going to do is say, like, hold on, what was I thinking? Hold on. Oh, yeah, I can just say if the tool is not in the player's backpack. I'm making an if statement. If tool.parent does not equal player.backpack, then. So if the tool is not in the player's backpack, that means I'm just gonna copy this line and paste it there. It'll be much easier. So yeah, so if the tool is not in their backpack, then the text will always show. And that should be about it, guys. That should be it. Alright, I'm gonna, hold on. Yeah, I'm just checking my frame rate on the stream. Alright, I'm gonna equip it. I'm gonna unequip it. Actually, I'm gonna equip it. Okay, or player.character. Alright, I think that should work. Alright. I'm gonna just drop it on the ground. And actually, I'm gonna just say if it's unequipped. So, right above here, I'm just gonna say tool.unequipped, connect function. Put an end right here. Alright. I think that should be it. I keep saying that should be it, but I'm just like one more thing away from being done. I'm gonna equip it. Boom. I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna unequip it. There we go. There you go, guys. That's how you do it. That's how you make a tool equipping script on Roblox. And when I die, it will say that as well. There we go. There we go. That's awesome. It's really cool. And I'm just gonna make sure one thing more. Make sure it can't collide true. I don't want it to go through anything. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure that can't collide true. So if it's false, then it's gonna go through the base plate. But yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you make a equip and unequip tool when your player presses A on the keyboard, and when they die, it will be available for another player to take. So this tutorial has been 27 minutes long, and I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Leave a comment down below if this helped you. Hit the thumbs up button for more tutorials from me. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.